everyone at Alien Technology. It's Andrew from ShelfAware. Shooting a real quick video. We are currently testing your new sled, RFID sled, via Bluetooth to Jay's iPhone, I think, or maybe Android, not sure. And he's doing a quick test on an inventory audit at Eskridge Manufacturing, one of our ShelfAware implementations. We're currently tracking products for 3 different industrial suppliers. All of them are kept in this aisle. Everything you see is intelligent and uses RFID tags to track the consumption of the product. Here's an example of the tag. That's an Alien tag. That's a bonus. So anyway, I think we have about 2,000 tags sitting in this aisle. Each one of these packages then becomes intelligent, and when Eskridge staff want to grab something, reach in here and they grab a bag of that, and grab a bag of this, and a bag of that. Go over to the station, boop, look for that light to turn blue, and then they go back to work. So there's Eskridge in all of its dirty, wonderful glory, cranking out planetary gears. Anyway, I send my regards from ShelfAware. Thank you for the Alien product, your tags, and your hardware platform, especially the mobile RFID handheld sled. So far, it's working really well.